Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Valorant shop not loading problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Our first solution is to log out of our account and log back in. To do this, click on the gear icon in the upper right. Then we click Exit to the desktop. After doing this, we click on Sign Out and Exit. We logged out of our Valorant account. Now you can open Valorant and log in to your account and check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our second solution. Our second solution is to change our DNS address. To do this, we come to the search section and type Control Panel. Then click on Network and Internet. Click on Network and Sharing Center. We click on the network to which we are connected. After doing this, we click on Properties. We select Internet Protocol version 4 and then click Properties. We tick Use the following DNS server addresses. After doing this, we write 8.8.8.8 in the first part and 8.8.4.4 in the second part. Then we click OK. We changed our DNS address. Now you can open Valorant and check if the problem is solved or not. Before I finish the video, there is one more thing I want to mention. Restarting your computer may be a simple process, but it may help solve the problem you are having. Don't forget to give this a chance. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.